Looking for easy balloon decoration ideas for your next birthday party at home? Balloons can transform any space into a festive atmosphere with minimal effort and cost. They're the perfect DIY solution for an unforgettable party. Stay tuned for some fun and easy DIY balloon decoration ideas. First up, we have the ever-popular balloon garland. Start by gathering your materials. You'll need a variety of balloons in different sizes, some fishing line, and a balloon pump. The first step is to inflate your balloons. Once they're all blown up, start threading them onto the fishing line. Mix and match sizes to keep things interesting. The aim is to create a unique eye-catching pattern. Continue this process until your garland is complete. And there you have it, a stunning balloon garland that is sure to wow your guests. Next, let's create some impressive balloon columns. To get started, you'll need balloons, balloon sticks, and a balloon pump. Begin by inflating your balloons using the pump. Once inflated, attach each balloon to a balloon stick, ensuring they're secure. Now comes the fun part. Start stacking the balloons one on top of the other, creating a towering column. You can mix and match colors for a more vibrant look, and just like that, you've created your own balloon column. With these grand balloon columns, your party will surely stand out. Lastly, let's not forget the table decor with some balloon centerpieces. To start, gather your materials: balloons, a balloon weight, and a length of ribbon. Inflate your balloons, making sure they're all a similar size for consistency. Once inflated, tie each balloon to your weight using the ribbon. Arrange them in a pleasing manner, perhaps in a circular or cascading pattern, depending on your preference. Continue this process until you're happy with the final look. And voila! Your tables are now adorned with exquisite balloon centerpieces. So there you have it, the trifecta of balloon brilliance: garlands, columns, and centerpieces. Easy to create, yet impactful in their aesthetic. With these simple balloon decoration ideas, your next birthday party at home will be a memorable one. Happy decorating!